Did you know you can save 70% by taking our courses individually? Whether you're interested in our AWS course from the Bootcamp, but don't want to commit to the entire program, or you're already in IT and need to sharpen your Kubernetes skills, our live courses are designed just for you. This isn't just a set of video recordings handed to you. These are live, interactive classes where you'll be an active participant. You can ask questions, engage with instructors, and make full use of our comprehensive materials. Plus, if you miss a class, recordings are available so you can catch up at your own pace. Here's what you'll get with this course: a 1-week free trial to see if it's right for you, 4 to 5 weeks of live training. Yeah, that's a lot of hands-on learning. A capstone project to pull everything together. Downloadable PDFs with all the slides so you can follow along and review anytime. 24/7 support via Slack because questions don't always happen during business hours. Access on mobile and TV so you can learn whenever and wherever it suits you. 90 days of access to recordings just in case you need to catch up or review something later. And last but not least, it's open to anyone in the world, so no matter where you are, you can join in. It's perfect for anyone looking to build a solid foundation, whether you're already in IT or have no background at all. And at just $299 for a month-long course, it's an incredible opportunity. Curious? Check out more details on our website or just give us a call. We'd love to have you join us.